Hello, my name is Ivona and I have been traveling for years. The year 2025 is the time when I decided to start a YouTube channel. During my travels, I have always had a camera with me. And in the last few months I have been joined by a drone. I created several films with this new miracle of technology. Today's film is a Polish miracle of nature, Cypel Rewski in Rewa. This is the first video, so please forgive the imperfections. The next ones will definitely be better. I am asking you to comment below the video regarding your comments and suggestions regarding this video. Please also subscribe to my channel, it will motivate me to produce more. Cypel Rewski is one of the most interesting places on the Baltic Sea. This is a Polish miracle of nature, a peninsula that is several meters narrow and juts into the sea for over 500 meters. A walk in this place is an unforgettable experience. On the one hand we have the waters of the Bay of Gdańsk and on the other the Bay of Puck. Promontory Rewski was created by sea currents flowing from the Bay of Gdańsk. Did you know that it is possible to go from Rewa to Kuźnica near Jastarnia, road towards Hel? It's nothing more than walking straight into the sea. The section there is shallow, it is called Rybitwia Mielizna or Rewia Mewa. The sand embankment reaches a depth of up to 1 meter, i.e. the water reaches approximately to the waist. In one place it is 5 meters deep, so you have to swim there. If it were not for this section, which was created so that ships could pass, you could easily walk to the Hel Peninsula. This strait is called Głębinka. If you need accommodation, a room or an apartment in Rewa, I recommend Pokoje u Kamila, which is located right by the sea. You can book them on booking.com. I recommend it.